Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the future of rugged performance, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 in moss green, a machine built to dominate both pavement and trail with equal confidence. Powered by Toyota's upgraded 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque in its non-hybrid guise, and for those who demand more, the iForce Max hybrid option pushes output to 326 horses and a massive 465 lb-ft of torque, all while maintaining body-on-frame toughness and boasting serious capability with standard 4x4, off-road tuned suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. The interior pushes boundaries too, with an available 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, upgraded digital cluster with 12.3-inch display on TRD Off-Road and Up, real buttons and knobs for tactile control, improved seating and headroom, and modern driver assists like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring. When towing, hauling, or exploring, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 delivers with payloads over 1,700 pounds in many configurations, towing up to around 6,500 pounds depending on version, while offering a ride that's far more refined than previous generations thanks to revised rear coil springs in many trims, better insulation, and comfort features. And in moss green it doesn't just perform, it stands out. The rugged contours, aggressive TRD styling, bold grille, and functional design elements marry beauty and utility. Whether crawling rocky trails, navigating mud, or cruising high-speed highways, it transitions seamlessly. If you're looking for a pickup that doesn't compromise, that gives you power, off-road chops, style, tech, and protection all in one package, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 is your ultimate choice. Don't wait, visit your local dealership, take it for a test drive, and experience for yourself what real capability feels like. This is Tacoma, redefined.